A little chaos can be fun, but not when it comes to cords. This wire goes to that thing, and that wire goes to that other thing. Lights, microphones, monitors, chargers, instruments, the list goes on. That's why we created WireStax, an easy-to-use, stackable, adjustable cable organizer that helps you put all those pesky cords in their place. No more diving into the deep, dark abyss of tangled wires. See, each WireStax unit contains several adjacent cells, allowing you to hold multiple wires in a single clip. These clips are designed to connect with each other, keeping all your wires in a secure, neat group. And because not all cords are the same size, WireStax lets you interlock multiple units of the same or different sizes, so any combination of cables can achieve peak tidiness. Simply snap your wire in the cell and snap however many rows you need together. Unlike conventional zip ties or Velcro strips that require you to re-engineer an entire stack just to change one cable, WireStax easily peel apart, meaning you can swap out damaged cords without disrupting the others. Plus, WireStax don't slip and slide like zip ties or Velcro. Just snap them into place along the length of your cables to prevent tangles, and voila! And no more confusing color coding or trying to follow a cord all the way through a rat's nest. WireStax keeps wires in specific individual channels, making them easy to identify. Once you've got all those knotty cables in line, add the WireStax cap for a professional finish. So, the next time you've found yourself in a losing battle against your cords, snap back with WireStax. WireStax, tame the chaos.